Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. Today, this is the free printable that you guys can download, save it to your iPad or computer and print as and when you need it, or why not print it immediately. There are loads of my favorite color combination, and for me, my opinion, yellow, or this sort of like bright yellow and lilac works really well together. So I have designed this free printable for you guys, taking inspiration from a very popular mini digital kit. It's only 4 pages. It's very, very cheap, called Lemon and Lavender. It's a digital collection, as I said, just 4 pages, very, very cheap price, where it's full of these sort of colors, lilac and lemon. Let me show you my website where to find it. Okay guys, so this is my website, www.antoniomakes.com. So if you type lemon, comes up the kit. So lemon and lavender, it's a mini kit, so it's very, very cheap. So if you click on the second square here, that opens up a video, and I'm just gonna pause it. Opens up a video that showcase all the papers that are included in the kit. So I'm just gonna press play again. Okay, so you can see before you purchase, you can see anything that you're buying. Okay, so just gonna make them small, and this applies to all my papers. So if you click on my bestseller, for example, again, click on the square and you see all the pages are included. And then on my website, you find, if you click on craft workshop, so you get my ebook, how to make junk journals. There is the workshop, there is a video and all the papers to make the blue butterflies. There is a contact form, there is my loyalty program, VIP lounge, so how to join my monthly subscription, and then gift card if you want to gift somebody a little treat that can come and shop my papers. So you decide the amount, or why not purchase for yourself for another month and then treat it yourself as and when. Okay, I'm working towards another kit, and I think I'm gonna make it a VIP lounge for next month, which is or the month after, which is featuring lemons, like yellow with blue, with Mediterranean blue tiles. I think yellow and blue is another fabulous color combination. You always ask me, guys, how I design my kit. Well, sometimes I start simply by putting colors together. Okay, so there are combination, then it works, some combination don't, but also every style is personal. So I always get 2-3 colors, experiment together, and then design the kit from that. So that's my starting point. Sometimes my inspiration comes from a theme. So if I want to do like a circus or like a floral or a shabby theme, I start from that. But for today, this is what you get. As usual, guys, 2 ways. Way number 1, join my newsletter. It's an email. It's a free email I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. And I will put here on the screen what my newsletter looks like. It's a free email. There are videos, recap of the week, the papers showcase of the week. There is always a free attached, which is, in this case, it will be this one. And yeah, sometimes there is a discount code and just some news I share with you guys over there. By the time you watch this video, the newsletter is already gone out. So way number 2 is to join my Facebook group. And I will put on the screen what my Facebook group looks like. It's a very interactive platform where myself and other crafters shares projects, ideas and inspiration, and also freebies as well. So it's a very, very interactive, and it's so nice because you guys share your creation using my digitals and also using other papers. So it's nice to see and take inspiration from one another. Also, if you click on files, you'll be able to download all my freebies in date order. Okay, so it's all in date, so it's like an archive, and I left it in there because it's so easy to download. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video, because it really supports my journey here on YouTube. Every time you leave a thumbs up, you automatically tell YouTube that you like what I make. and it's a massive support for my journey here on this social media. So thank you so much, guys, for doing it. I will see you on Monday for another video, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.